Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So igame elandelayo Bafana bayodlala against iCameroon. So lana ke ngizoshaya i-match preview, ngizoshaya i-look ahead of le game leso idlala bafethu ebaluleke indlela eyisimanga, igame yokuqala yama-round of 16. So ngizokhuluma ngezinto ekumele siyi-expect kule game leso yoyidlala against iCameroon. Yabo, akumele ke siyithathe kancane iCameroon, ilona side leli kumele sikwazi ukuthi sinqobe kulona. Mase ayishaya iCameroon ilapho khona sizobona khona ukuthi anything is possible kune tournament le Bafana they can do izinto zenzeke uma sibedlule kwiCameroon. Yabo, because uma ubheke nje kuma rankings Bafana is not that far off. Number 61 mase kuthi iCameroon ibubani number 57 kuma world rankings. Yabo, kuma FIFA rankings. So asikho that far, siyayilandela nje kancane iCameroon. So nje siyilandela nje Bafana ingakwazi usiyinqobe le game le mase istike kuma basic, mase yenze izinto ekumele yenze, ingatatazeli kakhulu, ishaye nje umsebenzi ekumele iwenze. Yabo, so ngizoqala ngayo iCameroon uma usubheka akusiyona i-team owayithatha kancane, because uma usubheka abadlali bayibona labo imosi yaba players adlala kwiCameroon badlala le kwi-League 1 kwi club ye la kwakudlala khona oMessi, kule club le kwakudlala khona oKylian Mbappe, la kudlala khona oDembele right now. So imost yabadlali babo badlala kuleyo league leyo, badlala le eFrance. Isquad lesi bafethu defensive kakhulu, indlela defensive ngakhona sebe concede amagoli abo 2 in group stages. Kuma group stages basa concede 2 goals only, while Bafana i-concede each and every match Bafana bafethu i-concedile. Match yokuqala Bafana ya concede against iAngola, match yesibili Bafana ya concede against iEgypt, match yesithathu Bafana ya concede against iZimbabwe. Yabo, so 4 goals already Bafana wa concedile, masukuthi iCameroon ya concede 2 goals. Ile club le bafethu i-defensive mase nibheke nje badlala nga3 at the back, masukuthi ama wing backs lawa ayakwazi ukudropa badlale nga5 at the back babe defensive. So i-team le esizokwazi ukuthi sibone khona i-defensive structure against bona kuzoba nzima ukuthi siba break. So I see le game le iphela kuma penalties, but ke asazi. But mase ubheke i-structure seBafana, i-structure seBafana si-4-2-3-1. 4-2-3-1 bafethu siyakwazi ukuthi siyihlakaze leya defense leya, because iBafana niyayazi ile club ekwaziyo ukudlala ibhola, i-team ethanda ukudlala ibhola kakhulu. Njengoba sokwazi ukuyicontrola i-tempo yale game le, ilapho khona sokwazi ukuthi siba dominate. Yabo, because bazosuka emuva bafuna ukuzothola ibhola. Yabo, Hugo Bros ngiyamazi lo coach lo othanda i-team yakhe ibe on control of the game, babe ne position eningi. You saw that when we were playing against Zimbabwe, you saw that when we were playing against Angola, you saw that when we were playing against Egypt. Each and every game esiyidlalile Bafana so far ibi controller i-position yalo game leyo. Yabo, yakwazi uqala ibhola emuva, simbone lapho uMbokazi benongezana bakwazi uqala ibhola emuva lapha, bakwazi ukukhuphula ibhola. Siyambona lapha uMokoena uyakwazi ukulinka iplay, Mokoena uyakwazi futhi naye ukusiza lapha from i-build up, akwazi ukusebenzisana noWilliams. Yabo, siyakwazi bafethu ukudlala siyibambe igame mase siqhubeke nje naleyo nto leyo. But ke i-weakness yami for iBafana ngaba into eyi-1. I feel like at times i-defense yethu iyaye ibe under pressure. Yabo, ihluleke ukuyi-maintainer i-game, usually crumble under pressure. Yabo, yonke engayithandi kakhulu regarding iBafana, i-defense yethu at times iyona into ebuye ibe issue. Nesisu sethu and number 10 akekho umjida o-creative so far asikakabi nayo that creative touch. Sayazi phela iBafana, yabo, sayazi we need a creative touch eswini khona sokwazi ukuthi sidlule. But ke against iCameroon unga expecta i-team structured. Yabo, i-team nje structured bafethu, because bona bayakwazi ukupressa. Yabo, njoba nje thina sisodlala ibhola kakhulu emuva, bazofuna ukusipressa kakhulu, bafuna ukusipressa mase i-defense yethu yenze ama mistakes. Bazofuna ukusipressa mase i-defense yethu yenza ama mistakes. Angifuni ukubona laphana ongezana betatazela, angifuni ukubona laphana oMbokazi betatazela with ibhola. Kumele bashaye simple, receive ibhola uphasele umundlale ogqoka isikepha esifana njengesakho, receive ibhola uphasele uMokoena lapha eswini. Yabo, kunalama passes lawa ajwayele ukushaya uMbokazi. I saw those passes against Zimbabwe. Sometimes lawa ama passes lawana ayaye abe risky muzodlala against ama midfielders ahlakaniphile. Njengoba ama midfielders asuka le koFrance nje esiyodlala nawo azoba risky kakhulu lawa ama passes lawa aMbokazi okuthatha ibhola alifaka eswini. Yabo, ngijwayele kwabona bafethu. Sometimes ngingishaya uvalo, but sometimes ayasebenzela lawa ama passes lawa. But ke kumele sisinciphisa kancane futhi ngama long balls. I feel like ama long balls awasidalela inkinga eziningi. But ke iCameroon mizofuna ukudlala high, I think ama long balls aqhamuka kungezana with uMbokazi azokwazi ukuthi asebenzele with uMoremi on the wing, with uNkota futhi on the wing, with Osuna Police on the wing, sokwazi ukuthi sicapitalize kuma long balls. Athi-ke regarding i-tactical back bafethu, I feel like iBafana Bafana izokwazi ukuthi iwine le game le ngokubamba ibhola, ngokucontrol ibhola, ngokwazi ukudlala lawo ma-short passes lawo, bakwazi ukuthi ba-break i-defense yale team esiyodlala nayo iCameroon. But when it comes to iCameroon, yona izokwazi ukuthi inqobe iBafana Bafana, mayasishaye ama-counter attacks, ikwazi ukuyipressa kahle iBafana Bafana, iyicindezele eswini, because siyasazi sisayi iCameroon siqine kakhulu, yabo. So kuwena ngokwakho ungangitshela, how do you feel about this game? Mina ngokwami kuzobe kuyigame emnandi, indlela eyisimanga bafethu. Bryan Mbeumo siyamazi udlalelani, udlalela Manchester United, so abalandeli abaningi bazobe beyibuka ngamehlo le game le, yabo. Ngizwile kuthiwa iwusold out kakhulu, baningi abantu abayibhekile le match le, they know ukuthi uBryan Mbeumo uzokwazi ukuthi ayabo anikeze iBafana Bafana inkinga. So I trust ombokazi ukuthi bawenze umsebenzi wabo lapha, yabo. Lesa squad asinabo abadlali abaningi abantswempu, yabo. Le team le ayinabo abadlali abaningi abantswempu. uBaleba kuphela, uBaleba lo udla iswini udlalela eBrighton, yabo. He was linked with Manchester United, so he's a very very good player. Ekumele senze sure ukuthi lo Mjida lo siyakwazi ukumbreaka lapha eswini. I trust uTebogo Mokoena with uBathusi Obasi to break that player, bakwazi ukuthi bamcalm down, angakwazi ukuba that creative, yabo. Bryan Mbeumo bafethu, he's their best player in the squad. Wena mdlali obadlalela kamnandi. Here's another guy, yabo, lo Mjida lo uTholo bafethu ukapteni ke kule squad list. Naye he's been there for iCameroon. I know this guy from the last AFCON. Nakule AFCON wayekhona uMjida wemnandi kakhulu, yabo. So kumele sazi ukuthi labajida laba siyakwazi ukuthi sibavale, yabo. Mesavala nje, they are key players in defense. Ukhona bafethu uTholo, mase kuthi laphana iswini kube khona uBaleba, mase kuthi kwi-attack yabo kube khona uBryan Mbeumo, yabo. Bryan Mbeumo bafethu ibona abadlali mina laba for iCameroon abangasinikeza inkinga. Kanti ke kwisquad seBafana Bafana baningi abadlali aba-creative abangakwazi ukuthi badlale bayimatche leti club le, yabo. iCameroon ayisinikezi into eningi ngaleyo ndlela, yabo. Ngeke basinikeze ipressure eningi ngaleyo ndlela. I trust Lyle Foster ukuthi bakwazi ukuhold up iplay, bakwazi ureceive ibhola, balihold ibhola, bangalose ibhola, yabo. Bangalose ibhola mase bayakwazi ucreate ama spaces, badlala ibhola, kushawa inqako. Simple, yabo. I trust iBafana Bafana ukuthi izowenza umsebenzi. But ke ama-views ayangafana. I saw ivideo bafethu laphana, uJunior Khanya bayithembi iBafana Bafana, angazi indaba bengayithembi, noma mhlawumbe bayibuka kakhulu, mhlawumbe babuka ama-games eBafana Bafana kuphela, bangawabuka noweCameroon. Kanti bekumele mhlawumbe bayinikeze isikhathi babuke nama-games eCameroon ukuthi iCameroon nayo idlala kanjani, yabo. Iclub emnandi impela, kodwa there are some few cracks kwisona isquad sabo. But defensive, kanti mekuyiwa phambili baya counter attacker. Counter-attacking a club like iBafana Bafana might be risky because i-defensive imnandi kakhulu defensively. Njengoba emnandi kakhulu defensively, bazoforceleka ukuthi bafune u-attacker bonke. Ilapho ke sobabamba khona ngama-long balls nathi, yabo. Kuzobe kuyigame nje le bafethu engenzeka iphele ngedraw. Angifuni uqamba, both teams are defensive, so kungenzeka le game le iphele ngedraw kuyiwe kuma-penalties. So mina I say le game le izophela ngo-1-1, yabo. Izophela ngo-1-1 mase kuyiwe ama-penalties and we see the best goalkeeper. You know the best goalkeeper, uRonwen Williams, uzokwazi ukuthi ayisize iBafana Bafana iye phambili. But ke after I saw that penalty against Mohamed Salah, I lost hope kancane. Mhlambe bangakwazi ukuthi bafake uSipho Chain second half of the extra time. Mhlambe uSipho Chain uzongena enze umsebenzi phela ke, siyawazi udaba. But ke that's a story for another day bafethu. Ungangitshela wona ama-comments, how do you feel about this game? Do you see iBafana Bafana going forward and taking this AFCON? Do you see iBafana Bafana ishaya iCameroon or ngiyayidlalela nje?